Let's go, everyone. We are back again unboxing some CeraVe Moisturizing Cream developed with dermatologists, and this is one of the best moisturizing creams I've ever used. Big fan of this one. I have super dry hands, so got a new one. Let's do this. So brand new. Comes this protective seal. Okay. Then, a lift to pull now. I guess this seems pretty new. Oh man. So, it's to make sure that no one's tampered with your new moisturizing cream. And pretty full. They don't rip you off with filling it. Pretty creamy. That's what I like about it. It's really dry hands. That security seal thing, that's pretty new, so maybe people are trying too much of it on in the stores, so they decided to seal it. But good texture for my dry hands. I got to use this more often. So yeah, that's it. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Way better than their lotion, I believe. So highly recommended. Thanks everyone. Hope you like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Bye.